Amethyst, the stone of spirit and science. It is born from the violent heart of the earth, yet it brings peace to the soul. Its color is that of royalty, and its power is whispered in legends for thousands of years. This is the journey of Amethyst, the stone of spirit and science. Our story begins deep underground. Imagine water, superheated by magma, flowing through volcanic rock. This water is rich in silica. As it cools down over millions of years, it forms crystals. But for amethyst to get its iconic purple color, a final, crucial element is needed: traces of iron, naturally irradiated by the Earth's core. From violent heat and slow patience, beauty is born. These geological treasures are found across the globe, but the richest deposits lie in Brazil and Uruguay, where gigantic geodes, caves lined with crystals, can be large enough for a person to stand inside. Each location gives a slightly different hue, a unique energetic signature. For millennia, humans have felt its power. Ancient Greeks believed amethyst could prevent intoxication. European soldiers wore it for protection in battle. In spirituality, it is the stone of the third eye and crown chakras. It is said to calm the mind, enhance intuition, and connect us to higher states of consciousness. It's a tool for clarity in a world of noise. So, how can you use it? Place it by your bed for restful sleep and insightful dreams. Hold it during meditation to deepen your focus. Or simply have it in your workspace to create a bubble of calm and creativity. To cleanse it, you can let it rest under moonlight or pass it through the smoke of sage. From a violent geological birth to a symbol of peace and wisdom, amethyst is more than just a beautiful stone. It is a piece of the Earth's history and a key to our own inner peace. A reminder that even from darkness, the most brilliant light can emerge.